sawmill and lumber data enterprise project. That was on July 2010. What is unique with this project is that one, KFI is bringing the technology of Sweden, combining also the technology of the Philippine forestry. So we have sawmill, of course, the Filipino way in running the sawmill, the equipment.
So this program has been running for the last 20 years. Overall, it can be called a community forestry project. And the first component started 20 years ago when we organized farmers, upland farmers, to take ownership or stewardship over former logged over areas.
As a National Federation President, we have around 1.5 million hectares of CBPM linear instrument.
So our area on CBFM, 2,160 hectares with farmers beneficiaries of 470 more or less. So importante na diamond sawmill kay actually china kami approve RUP, resource use permit. So on the process file diamond ECC para completa diamond papeles. China tamen si habla completa kal diamond papeles, pwede kami as supply contract na lumberyard.
We have a formal partnership with the Department of Environment and Natural Resources. So DNR Region 9 Office knows how KFI operates. In fact, we have a MOA signed last 2007 that we will be implementing this kind of project. This is something unique. This is very much unique in not only in Sibugay, not only in Del Sur or in Del Norte, but in Zamboanga Peninsula. So we would like also to model this sawmill project that this is owned by the farmers organization, assisted by KFI, and also with the support of our partner in Sweden, in the person of Dag Carlson, who represent the Swedish forestry and trade union workers.
This one is a light chainsaw.
We also developed a technique for good, well-known Swedish technology for cutting trees in a safe way using safety equipment like helmet, tool belt, safety pants, shoes.
Your ears, the chainsaw is very noisy, and you will destroy your eardrums, your eyes, to protect your eyes from sprouts, from branches, from insects.
Next step is to transport the logs from the forest to roadside, and also there we have brought here equipment and developed methods to do it in a quite efficient way.
And then we have tied it here, and you have a chain here.
Para ginagamit na lock para sa truso kadalgos ikan sa bukid o sa sulod sa lasang bago sa dalan. Na, maulog nyo. Dito. Sunod siya.
Then in the sawmill, we have those small Swedish sawmills from Logosol, one for long logs, one for shorter, up to 7. And that sawmill can be used to make prepare the log for the bandsaw with 2 straight sides and perfect 90-degree angle. But it can also be brought to the forest, and 2 men can easily carry that sawmill into the forest.
Get 140 pesos. Mamay lang gusto mapalit ko sa kahoy.
And then the bandsaw, it's more Philippine technology, very well-known technology here in the Philippines, and it's quite efficient way to do it.
Just a business per se of processing the lumber, but at the same time we would like also to extend assistance to farmers organizations, especially the upland farmers organizations, those who are recipient of the Philippine government program, the Integrated Social Forestry Program, and the Community-Based Forestry Program. So we assisted them in the preparation because our Philippine government requires so many policies before the trees or natural resources can be harvested.
Siguro istiyalo umpisa pakimodo aliviar di among vida as a farmer, sembrador de palo, takida akinamonte. Uno tamen kay una-una kanamon yan train as a stakeholder akina dila K5 sawmill. So el di among kooperatiba, el Kuyan Butin Farmers Multipurpose Cooperative, un registered stay na CDA, uno recipient aki ara na dila livelihood.
Now with this sawmill operations, we hope to be able to give a good market, no? A good price to the tree farmers for their trees, and this will also help them to, well, it will motivate them to plant more trees.
So in 2009, that was last year, we decided that we should put up our own sawmill. We should not be dependent in other sawmill areas. At least in this sawmill we have control of the prices, and at the same time the farmers will have a benefit for it. As our clients, as they have a share, and they will also be taught on how to run this good industry.
The most important thing is when you have harvested trees that you plant again for next generation. For my hope is that this sawmill will exist not only this day or this week or forever.